Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I will show you that how to remove empty spaces from starting and the ending of a text view or edit text or everywhere. How you can do this in Sketchware very easily. So let's get start the video without wasting any more time. So friends, now I am going to add a new project here. There it is. Remove SP, that is remove spaces. So whatever you want to do here, you can in your project directly you can do this. No need to make a new project here. So I am going to add an edit text, and the two edit text I am going to add here. And now you have to trim the text. Then I am going to add a button here. To now here I remove and when on click remove, you have to do the function that how you can remove the spaces, empty spaces here. So I am going to share the empty spaces, remove the empty spaces from the edit text 1 and save it in edit text 2. Okay, for that in the operator you need to select this one, trim operator you have to add there. Okay, at first trim and then select the edit text 1. This is the simple code, no needed to add any add source, and directly we can remove it in Sketchware. So let's run this and check it. So it is running. So after installation, it is going to the page to scan it. After scanning complete, I am going to open it, and here I am wants to save some empty space. Okay, and then click on the remove. Here will no effect. There is the spaces, every spaces are empty, and here is no any text, so these are all removed. And in edit text 2 there is no anything written. Okay, so let's try something, anything. Here is no any empty spaces, so what you can do, you can see here is no changes as there is no any empty spaces in the starting and the ending. Okay, so now I am going to add some empty spaces. Here you can see the empty spaces are removed from the final and the initial. Okay, so guys, in that way you can remove the starting and ending empty spaces in Sketchware using the simple blocks. So friends, if you get a simple help from this video, then please like this video and to subscribe to my channel to get daily notification. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay developing.